Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Help Sourav. Today another video is here, how to install Windows 7 and Windows 8 using a flash drive. First insert your USB flash drive in your computer. First power on your computer. Press F12 and go to boot menu. Common key for accessing the boot menu F2, F10, F12 depending on the manufacturing of the computer or motherboard. Please select your boot device. Hit enter. Wait for few minutes. Click the next, it is in the bottom right corner of the Windows. Click to install now. Setup is starting. Select the operating system you want to install. Check the box I accept the license term, then click to next. Click to custom install Windows only advanced. What do you want to install Windows? Select the drive 0 partition 1. This is the system drive. Click the format and then OK. Windows will install on this partition. You can change the partition where you want to install Windows 8 just by clicking that partition and click to next. Windows has started installing. This can take a long time. Setup will restart your computer. Wait for few minutes, getting device ready. Now type your PC name and click to next. Use the express setting. Sign into your PC. Type your username. Wait for few minutes. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Windows 8 on your computer. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel.